alone, we are good.
But together we are brave. We are one team.
Sorry, but there's just no space. Sometimes we don't mean to hurt others, but being left out hurts.
Wait, we are one team.
On a team, nobody sits alone.
Helping someone is teamwork.
Including others makes our team stronger.
Kind words build a team. Laughing at others breaks a team.
A team lifts others up.
Different doesn't mean left out.
We win together.
One pencil is easy to break, but together they are strong. That's what working together means.
One team means friendship.
One team means nobody's left out.
One team means standing up for each other.
One team means belonging.
One team means including each other.
One team means we respect each other.
One team means we help. One team means we are kind.
One team means we share.
At Wamberg, we are one team.
We are one team!